Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming two essentials, your ORCID ID and the Scopus author ID. Sign in to your ORCID account now. Once signed in, make sure your email is verified. Next, open Scopus and locate your author profile. Use the author search to find the correct record. Doing these steps together saves time because you'll grant permission and transfer data immediately. If your name appears multiple times, note the Scopus author ID number so you link the exact profile. You can link from either platform. I'll show both paths. In ORCID, go to Account Settings, find Linked Accounts and select Scopus. Click Authorize to allow Scopus to add works. Alternatively, in Scopus, open your author profile, choose the Link to ORCID option, and follow the prompted OAuth flow. Make sure to review permissions and set the visibility for imported works. Once done, Scopus can push publications to ORCID or merely confirm identity. Choose the option that matches how much control you want. Finish by verifying that publications and your Scopus author ID appear correctly in ORCID Works and External Identifiers sections. If some items are missing or duplicated, use ORCID add/merge tools and check Scopus author details for variant names or affiliations. If automated linking fails, request a Scopus author feedback correction and rerun the ORCID link after fixes. A key tip: if links don't appear, clear browser cookies or try a private window to avoid cache sessions, blocking the OAuth handshake.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.